Good morning, children. Welcome you all to online classes. My name is Asha Mishra, your science teacher. In our previous video, you have studied about clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Properties of clothes. History of cloth making. Fibers. In fibers, you have studied about cotton, properties of cotton fiber, and how cotton are grown in field, and how cotton fibers are changed into clothes in factories. That's all we have studied in our previous video. Today we will study about different uses of cotton. Cotton is basically used for making every type of clothing, from jacket to normal shirts. In home, it finds its use in bed sheets and curtains. Its seed oil is used in food and cosmetic. It is also used in coffee filters. Its seeds are fed to cattle and crushed to make oil, rubber and plastics. There are some other uses of cotton. In addition to textile industry, cotton is used in fish nets, tents and in book binding. First Chinese paper is made up of cotton fiber. It is also used in modern US dollar bills and in federal stationery. You know denim jeans? Denim jeans is mostly made up of cotton. Denim jeans is used to make jeans and shirts, jackets. That's all about cotton. Now we will study about another plant fiber, jute. Jute is a long, soft, shiny plant fiber that can be spun into coarse, strong threads. It is produced from stem of plant of genus Corchorus. Jute fibers are composed primarily of plant material. That plant material is known as cellulose and lignin. Means jute fibers are made up of cellulose and lignin. Jute fibers are falls in the category of bast fiber. You know bast fiber means? Bast fibers are the fibers which are made from skin of the plant. Like banana fiber. Banana fiber is the example of bast fiber. Okay, now we will study about production of jute. How jute fibers are produced from plant. Jute requires plenty of rainfall and grows best in warm, humid climate. Alluvial soil is best for jute. Alluvial soil in India is found in Sundarban Delta region of river Ganga and Brahmaputra. About 85% of world jute cultivation is concerned in the Ganga Delta. The chief jute growing states of India are West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. These are the chief jute growing states of India. Okay, now we will study about some different stages of jute production. Depending upon the species, jute is sown between the month of February and May. To grow jute, the seeds are first scattered on the soil, and this process is known as cultivation. The plants are grow about 20 to 15 centimeter initially and then grow up to the height of 6 to 10 feet. It bears yellow color flowers after about 3 to 4 months. The plants are usually harvested during this flowering stage, as the fiber is good quality during this stage. After the flowering stage, the fibers become very hard and unfit for use. After harvesting, the stems are cut off close to the ground and left to dry for some time. When the stems dried, it tied into bundles and soaked in water for about 20 days. This process is called retting. Means rotting of the stem is called retting. This process make the stem soften and allow the fiber to be separated. The fibers are then stripped by hands from stalk in long strands by jerking and pulling of the strands. These fibers are then washed in clear running water. This is washing stage. Then they are hung up or spread on the starched sheet to dry. This is drying process. After 2 to 3 days of drying, the fibers are tied into bundles. It is called baling and packing and storing process. These are the several different stages of production of jute. Let's have a recap of different stages. First of all, seeds are sown in the field. It is called cultivation. Cutting down of the stems is called harvesting. The bundles of the stems are soaked in water for about 20 days. This process is called retting. Fibers are then stripped by hands from the stalk in long strand by jerking and pulling. It is called stripping. Then fibers are washed in the clear running water. It is washing stage. Then they are hung up or spread on starched sheet to dry. Drying process. After 2 to 3 days of drying, the fibers are tied into bundle, pressed into bales. This is baling and packing and storing process. These are the stages of production of jute. Now let's move to another topic. Some advantages of jute fiber. Jute is a natural fiber, so it is eco-friendly material as it is biodegradable, means break down naturally and replenishes nutrients in the soil. Jute is second most important fiber and have so many advantages. Jute is a good insulating material and has anti-static properties. Jute can be blended with natural and synthetic fiber. Jute is one of the cheapest natural fiber. Jute is used for making durable and strong packaging material. You have seen jute bag that can be used several times before it gets torn. It is an easily recyclable material. Important now, recent scientific studies reveals that jute carpet backing cloth JCBC is less flammable, produce less smoke and generates fewer toxic gases than backing made from synthetic polymer. Means it is natural fiber and it is producing less toxic material than other synthetic polymer. There are some disadvantages of jute fiber. So, moist condition can be reduced the tensile strength of jute fiber. Acidic contact or atmosphere can reduce the luster, means shining, as well as tensile strength of jute fiber. Jute have very low crease resistance, means easily get creases on it. There are so many uses of jute fiber. In our daily life, we are use gunny bags and so many things made from the jute. So first of all, see, jute fibers are used to make twines and ropes. You can see the picture. Ropes which are made of jute. Jute buds means the coarse ends of the plant are used for making inexpensive cloths, means cheap cloths. Cheap cloth is made up of jute buds. Very fine threads of jute can be separated and made into imitation silk, means the cloth which is just look like silk, which made from the fine threads of jute. Jute fibers are used to make papers. Jute is also used in making clothes, sacks and coarse clothes, means rough kind of clothes. You can see the picture, the things and clothes which is made up of jute fiber. Jute fiber are worn into curtains, chair coverings, carpet, Hessian clothes and backing for linoleum. All these are the uses of jute fiber. We have studied about the properties of cotton and jute fiber in detail. That's all for today, children. In our next video, we will study about some animal fiber, wool and silk. So, thank you.